Welcome to Atomica Design. Now with our added primitive shapes and Boolean operations, you can seamlessly design any special feature for your guide. Let's take the guide fixation bridge as an example. I'll start by generating cube primitive. If you already know the desired dimensions, just add them here, and if not, no worries. Just generate the shape with any dimensions and place it near the desired area on the guide. Then you can easily control its dimensions, location and rotation, as I'll show you now. Now that the adjustments are done, make sure that the guide and the cube is marked and select Union. Let's try another feature as the inspection windows. I'll also choose a cube primitive and place it here. Then I'll adjust it. Make sure that it is going through the guide. Again, make sure you're selecting both the guide and the cube, then choose the difference option. Hide the original guide and the cube to see the difference. And here it is. With the same steps, let's add another anterior inspection window. Here we go, and the guide is ready for printing. Unleash your design power and download your free version of Atomica AI-powered guided surgery suite.